Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed sources in NotebookLM. If you've tried uploading a file or adding a website and received a failed source error, don't worry. In most cases, the problem can be fixed in just a few minutes. Let's go through the most common causes and the solutions that usually work. The first thing to check is your file. NotebookLM works best with clean, readable documents. If you're uploading a PDF that contains mostly scanned images, poor quality text, or complicated formatting, the system may have trouble processing it. Try opening the file yourself and make sure the text can be selected and copied. If it can't, you may need to run OCR software or find a text-based version of the document. Another common issue is file size. Large documents can take longer to process and are more likely to encounter errors. If you're uploading a lengthy book, report, or collection of documents, try splitting them into smaller sections and uploading them separately. This often improves processing speed and reliability. If you're adding a website as a source, make sure the page is publicly accessible. NotebookLM may not be able to read pages that require a login, subscription, or special permissions. Some websites also rely heavily on dynamic content, which can prevent NotebookLM from retrieving the information correctly. If a web page fails repeatedly, try copying the important text and creating a text source instead. This eliminates any issues related to website access and ensures NotebookLM can read the content directly. Next, check your internet connection. Upload interruptions can sometimes cause source failures. If your connection is unstable, wait until it improves and try again. You should also refresh NotebookLM and attempt the upload a second time. Temporary processing issues occasionally occur, and simply retrying the upload can solve the problem. If the issue persists, open NotebookLM in an incognito or private browser window. This helps rule out problems caused by cached data or browser extensions. Speaking of extensions, ad blockers, privacy tools, and security extensions can sometimes interfere with uploads. Temporarily disable them and try again. For the best experience, use an up-to-date version of Chrome, Edge, or another supported browser. Another thing to consider is the number of sources already in your notebook. If your notebook contains many sources, try removing sources you no longer need or creating a separate notebook for new research. Keeping notebooks organized can help reduce processing issues and make your projects easier to manage. Finally, if NotebookLM appears stuck on processing, wait a few minutes before re-uploading. Occasionally, temporary server congestion can delay processing, and a second attempt later may succeed without any additional changes. To summarize, if a source fails in NotebookLM, check the file quality, verify that websites are publicly accessible, ensure your internet connection is stable, retry the upload, test in a private browser window, disable conflicting extensions, and keep your notebooks organized. Following these steps will solve the vast majority of failed source issues and help you get back to analyzing your content quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.